Here's how you can purchase a LockTrust app directly from your LockTrust wallet. Log into your LockTrust wallet and open the App Store from the left menu. Select the EMS you'd like to purchase and click Purchase. You'll be directed to choose a subscription plan that fits your needs, and you can add optional add-ons if you'd like. Click Proceed to Payment, and a pop-up checkout will show your total balance. If you have a promo or coupon code, enter it here. Choose your payment method, either your wallet or the card on file. Review the terms and conditions, agree to them, and then click Submit. Once your purchase is finalized, a confirmation text and activation email will be sent to the phone number and email address associated with your LockTrust wallet. The email will welcome you to the EMS you selected and include your login credentials. That's it. Enjoy smoother workflows with LockTrust.